Hi, happy good morning. Once again, it is Shamita. Hi everyone. So, today we are going to talk about an important thing like friendship. Recently, we celebrated our Friendship Day. Friendship is really a wonderful relationship for me. Every relation I start with a friendship because I believe अगर आप जो भी रिलेशन आप स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, आपका पर्सनल रिलेशन, आपका मैरिड लाइफ, योर पेरेंट्स, योर चिल्ड्रंस रिलेशनशिप, हर एक रिलेशनशिप में अगर आपका फ्रेंडशिप इन्वॉल्व है तो वो रिलेशन एक बहुत अंदर अच्छा सुंदर सा मोड़ ले लेता है. योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, योर केयरिंग, योर अफेक्शन, everything changes when you feel the friendship in your relationship. But in my life I have experienced two type of friends. There are two type of friends in our life which I have named. One is your condolence friend and one is your धक्का friend. Your धक्का friend, ये जो आपका धक्का फ्रेंड है ये आपको आपके उस परिस्थिति से बाहर निकालने के लिए धक्का देगा. He'll not listen to the things you are crying, what is bad with you, what is wrong with you, but he will motivate you to come out of that state. He will inspire you to leave that atmosphere. He will inspire you to leave that state. He will inspire you to do something else so that you can do or bring changes in your life. He will inspire you to grow in your life. He will not listen all the time, listen you crying. One time he will obviously to understand you, he will listen you. But once he understand what's your pain, daily he will not keep on sitting behind you, beside you and listen you. But he will motivate you or help you to find out the way how you can come out of that thing. So I prefer I have in my life all the dhakka friends who will push me hard to come out of my bad pace, come out of my sadness, pain and find out what can I do for myself, what can improve my state. That is my dhakka friends. Your condolent friends who always listen you. For example, gossip ladies. Everybody come and sit and everybody share how your sasuma is more worst, how my sasuma is more worse than yours, how my boss is more worse than yours, how my life is more dramatic and worse than yours. Each and everybody is trying to show how my life is worse than others. These are your condolence friends जो हमेशा आपके दुख को सपोर्ट करेंगे, दुख को और बढ़ाएंगे. एंड नेवर बांटने से दुख बढ़ता है, बांटने से दुख और बढ़ता रहता है. बांटने से कभी दुख कम नहीं हुआ है. पहले मैं दुखी थी, अब आपने मेरा दुख सुन लिया, आप दुखी हो गए. हाँ, आई विल गेट सम रिलीफ बिकॉज आई एम डूइंग अ इमोशनल डायरिया ऑन यू. सो मेरा जो दुख था मैंने आपके दिमाग में डाल दिया थोड़ी देर के लिए सही, पर मैं थोड़ी शांत हो गई. ऑल दैट चैटरिंग स्टॉप्स नाउ बिकॉज आई हैव डन मच ऑफ देम. But that same negative thoughts will start playing roles in your mind. Now you are also infected with my negative thoughts. So it is a false thing, at least for me. It is a big myth in life कि बांटने से दुख कम होता है. I believe बांटने से दुख हमेशा बढ़ते रहता है और 10 लोग दुखी होते हैं. हाँ, पर सुख बांटने से ज़रूर बढ़ता है. टॉक अबाउट ऑल द गुड थिंग्स इन योर लाइफ. और आज आपका जो धक्का फ्रेंड होगा जिसे मैं कल्याण मित्र कहती हूँ, विल वर्क फॉर योर बेटरमेंट, वो आपके जो डायलॉग्स है उसको चेंज करेगा, आपके डाउन स्टेट को चेंज करेगा, आपको एक अच्छे स्टेट में लेके जाएगा, आपकी बातचीत को चेंज करेगा. ही विल ऑलवेज ट्राई टू शिफ्ट योर फोकस. If you are sad, just remember when we were small and our friends used to be in pain, what we used to do. In starting, we used to listen them, but after some time, we used to shift their focus to a better thing, the thing which they used to enjoy. And slowly and steadily, we used to understand their focus changed, their inner feeling changed, and they becomes happy. We never used to enjoy their pain. By listening their pain, deep inside somewhere, we are also enjoying their pain. because it is a human tendency. Human being enjoys the pain. So don't be a condolence friend, be a dhakka friend to others and yourself also. Whenever you feel the voice inside you is a negative thoughts, negative sound, which is crying for you, which is telling you this is not good happening, this is not bad, this is happening bad, this is something happening wrong, I am suffering, I am having this problem, I am having that problem. Be a dhakka friend to yourself, change your state, change your memories, apply some things, use your best memories to change your mood. Show yourself the best days of your life. Help yourself to come out of your best, that's a down state. Be your good friend. Bring yourself out from the down stage. Bring your friends out from that down stage. Do something else. Use your memories. For me, I help myself, and the things which I do for myself, today I am going to share with you. First on the foremost thing which I do, the technique which I do with myself and I am going to share with you is I always make a photo album of all the good things of my life, all the good best memories of my life. I use them and use it in such a form that I can see all the photographs of my best trips, my best moments, my achievement. I have collected the memories in form of photographs. I have made a slideshow for that, and whenever I feel it is difficult for me to come out of that bad phase, I am not overcoming my negative thoughts, my thoughts are not helping me, they are not changing, I am not capable to change my thoughts, my negative thoughts are over blaming me. I use my photo albums, I use my photo memories, I go to that photo albums, I use my dialogues, I tell stories about that moments, that best moments. I describe that best moment, what happened, how was that best moment that day, what all things happened in that day. Create dialogue about your best moments, best things about your life. Rather than listening to the negative dialogues inside, take the help of your best moment, like these photo albums. Take help of your albums, whatever good memories you have created in your life. Nowadays it's a technical mode, so we don't have to create our albums with us. We have our mobiles, and our mobile is flooded with the best memories in our gallery. Use your gallery. Go to that images. Think on that. If you have something, some partner, describe them that best day. If you don't have anybody, talk to yourself about that best day. What happened in that day? How were you feeling? How was the best day for you? What did you enjoy in that day? Rather than listening to the negative voice inside, create a happy and wonderful voice outside. This will definitely help you to come out of the negative state. At least the negative sound you are listening, which is making you down, will change in this way. Try it out. And if this technique helps with you, come back to me with your feedback. How did it work with you? In my next video, I will definitely share you a different technique with for different solutions. Till then, bye for the day. Bye bye. It's Shamita Naik. Be the change. Apply the change. If you like my video, if you like the content of the video, please like it, share it and comment on it. And do not forget to click the share button or subscribe button down, so that you can have my upcoming videos with a solution. Bye bye.